morning, sir.
Yeah,
I'm
morning.
Cynthia. What
I'm
can I
Harry.
do for you?
Actually, I'm from Vietnam.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the supplier for the toilet.
Oh, you got the right place.
Really?
Yes, we are a top one manufacturer for smart bidet, and actually we have our own exclusive chipboard technologies.
Wait, you
Yes.
tell me you are the top manufacturer for smart toilets
Yeah.
and the chipboard of the electric parts you do yourself.
Yes, exactly. Actually, we have more than 200 styles in the market, and we have produced 1.6 million units per year, and it's still going up.
Oh, only for the smart toilets you have more than 200 designs
Yes,
and you produce the 1.6 million pieces per year.
yes.
Wow.
And we have our international standard SMT production line and skillful staff and advanced equipment to make sure each smart meter safe and durable.
Wow, that's good. You know why I didn't choose the smart toilets before? Because there's a big headache
Yes.
from the market
Yeah, exactly.
for the smart bidet toilets because the consumers feedback a lot of complaints on the electric parts devices.
Yeah, don't worry, we have more than 3 years guarantee. And actually, we can offer after-sales service to support. We have more than 30 years originated from the electronic parts of the automatic vans.
Okay, that's good. So I don't need to worry about the guarantee. You have 3 years, even for the electric parts.
Yes.
So what benefits compared to the common ones?
Yes, you know, using a bidet can save water by 88% and toilet paper by 75%. So it's very eco-friendly and 99% antibacterial.
So if I sell the smart bit toilets,
Yeah.
I'm doing the contributions to the environment
Exactly.
and save the resources.
Yes, it is not only protect the ocean, but also reduce the silver damage.
Wow,
Yes.
so many benefits, and you are so powerful and so professional for the smart bit toilets.
And for personality, it can even reduce the instance of medical issues such as skin rashes and urinary tract infection and hemorrhage.
Yeah, so that's why just now I saw this one. It is automatic open,
Yes, special for men.
even for the inner seat cover. So
yes,
it's
you don't
very
even
good.
touch it.
Yeah, it's very good for men.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
that's good design. So many benefits. Let's talk further about our cooperation.
Sure, let's have a seat, please.
Okay, thank you.